How you doing, guys? Boo617. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do things a little bit different. Unfortunately, we're gonna down talk a company because I've been having the worst situation with them, the worst back and forth. The company name is ADDW1, and they make these oil catch cans. Now, the quality of these things are A1. The product itself is very good. This product is awesome. Like, build quality, the feel, it feels high quality. They use great materials. See, the product is not the problem. Let me explain. Let me explain what happened with this company. So when I was doing research on oil catch cans for the 370Z, I had a lot of different options. A lot of people praise these and obviously the admin tuning ones. But I really like the design of these because they're, compact. I like the colors, whatever. Point is, I ordered them. After doing the research, I ordered them, and what happens? Right after I buy them, the next day I get an email from the company saying, hey, thank you for purchasing the catch cans for your 370Z. Unfortunately, they're on back order. But wait, we can send you the carbon fiber ones for, I forgot what was the difference in price. I think it was like $200 or something like that, $200-300 more. And I said, wait a minute, if these are on back order, don't you think before the consumer can pay for it, that should be something that is said on the website, or at least when you go to check out, is something that would pop up like an error message or some type of message saying, hey, just so you know, it's gonna take some time to get to you. No, they didn't do it. They didn't warn me at all. They just let you buy it, and they send you the email after that they're on back order. Now, this back order they said is gonna take between 2 and 3 weeks. So I was going back and forth with the emails, emailing the person back, telling them, hey, this is kind of like false advertisement. You wait till I purchase it to then tell me that. And they said, okay, we'll take $100 off of the carbon fiber ones. And I'm pretty much saying, like, sir, send it to me for free. This is your fault that I ordered. I mean, these are not cheap regardless. These were $400 and something to get these shipped to me. Back and forth. End up being that I said, you know what? No, I'll just wait the 2 to 3 weeks because I'm not going to spend more money on ones that I didn't even order. I didn't even order the carbon fiber pattern ones. I just wanted these, the flat black. I like these. I'm like, you know what? That's fine. I'll wait till 2 to 3 weeks. I'm just going to buy it. They didn't want to discount anything. All right, whatever. Cool. 2 to 3 weeks pass. I get it delivered. Problem number 2. I ordered these with some matching clamps, right? This is the box. So 2 of these boxes come in the mail. So I open it. And you know how I always like to do the opening the packages and videotaping it and showing you guys before I install or anything. This time I for some reason, something told me, open the package and see what's in the box. Right, they send me the brackets and all that, right? But the problem is, they send me these clamps. These freaking Home Depot clamps. The problem with that is, I paid extra money for the nice red clamps that match this right here. Really? Again, I email them. They say, oh, unfortunately, they're on back order. It will take 2 to 3 weeks. At this point, I'm like fed up, right? So I'm like, do your thing. That's fine. 2 to 3 weeks pass. Nothing. I haven't got anything. I email them again. Hey, you guys promised that I was going to get this in between 2 to 3 weeks. I haven't received anything. Their response is, oh, we apologize. It is still on back order. It's going to be another 2 to 3 weeks. That was about a week ago. So I'm still waiting about 2 more weeks before I hit them up again. But at this point, I just feel like canceling the whole order and returning this and having them give me my money back. What do you guys think I should do? Should I just return it and get my money back? Should I just wait patiently? Like I've been wanting to install these, and I'm not gonna install them with these clamps. I'm gonna wait for at least direct clamps if I'm gonna keep them. So I'm very frustrated with this situation. I just don't know what I'm gonna do next. If I do decide to keep them, I'm gonna post another video about them, just going through the review on the materials, on how they work, what's the point of oil catch cans and all that good stuff. Then I'll do a third video on them installing. So I'll do the install videos, and that's if I keep them. So what do you guys think? Should I keep these or just return them and go with a different company? What do you guys think? ADD W1 messing up on me, bro. Messing up on me. Alright guys, so what I'm pretty much saying is, if you're interested in these, make sure you email them first. Before you spend your money, email them and ask them if they're available to ship today. If not, ask them if they're on back order, how long. And it's up to you if you want to wait the time frames that they say. But do yourself a favor and save yourself the headache if you want them right away, because I'm the type of person, when I buy something, I want it quick. But if you want to save yourself the aggravation, email them before you spend your money and find out. Go from there. I think that's the best way to go about it. And with that said, move 617.